What's the meaning of accordance? Accordance. 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 Accordance is the state of being in agreement or harmony. It can also refer to the act of granting something. In accordance with something means that it is done in a way that is consistent with it. For example, you might say that you are acting in accordance with the law or in accordance with your boss's instructions. Here are some examples of how the word accordance can be used in a sentence. The two countries signed a treaty in accordance with international law. The company's policies are in accordance with the latest industry standards. The teacher instructed the students to work in accordance with their individual learning styles. The new building was designed in accordance with the city's zoning regulations. The doctor prescribed medication in accordance with the patient's symptoms.